Hi guys, I'm Cynthia Liu, and today we're going to talk about the 5 beliefs that make Kim Kardashian a worldwide star. So let's take a look. Traditionally, people have become stars or famous through some recognizable talent, whether that be acting or singing, dancing, a talent for creating products, and so on. Kim Kardashian has none of these talents above. In fact, she's not conventionally talented in any way. But what Kim did is she reinvented fame and she reinvented what it means to be talented. So let's take a look at the beliefs underneath that shape this. Belief number 1 is a universal or core belief, and this is unconditional love for the self, or unconditional self-love. Most of us have a problem with this belief, and what that looks like is I'll love myself only if I look a certain way, lose a certain amount of weight, achieve a certain amount of money, or have a certain relationship. Only then will I love myself. But the subconscious wants us to know that we can love ourselves exactly as we are right now. Not after the riches or after the beauty or after the success, but in fact right now. Kim Kardashian has this. She has an unconditional love for herself, and it reflects in the world around her. When we don't have this, it can look like problems created in the world or people not liking us. But in fact, Kim has this and people love her because she loves herself. Belief number 2 is the core or universal belief of my wishes. Kim Kardashian wishes for many things, and she gets many things. She has an open belief in her wishes. What are your wishes? Do you allow yourself to wish for things? Once we understand that we can wish for things, that we can believe that we can wish for things and that we deserve to have the things that we wish for, then we can start to open up and wish for those things that we truly want. Once we understand that our wishes don't harm anyone, when we do wish, we deserve to have what we wish for, then we start to take easy action towards those things that we're wishing for. We start to get the easy results. Belief number 3 is my world takes care of me. Kim Kardashian has this belief. She is surrounded by people and teams who support her. She has assistants, crew, her family even, who help to support the empire, which is Kim Kardashian. And it's important to have this belief in order to build success on a grand scale. If we have a belief instead, people are difficult to work with, or it's difficult to build teams, I have to do everything myself, that is going to get in the way of us building our teams and having the success that we want. There are many companies who have tried to grow but have had difficulty in growing because they are unable to build teams. However, Kim Kardashian has that belief, my world takes care of me, and thus she has a world that takes care of her. Belief number 4 is the core or universal belief of my individuality. This belief has to do with accepting all parts of ourselves, whether we may think they're good or bad. It's accepting everything. There's no room for shame or insecurity. When we accept everything in us, others will accept us as well. Kim Kardashian has accepted her individuality in total, and this is reflected in her world by everyone accepting her. Belief number 5 is the belief that other people unconditionally love her too. Because our subconscious beliefs are reflected back to us in our worlds, this is reflected back in Kim's world in the form of adoring fans and global fame. Your subconscious beliefs can make you rich, famous, loved, whatever it is that you desire, as long as it's your true wish. Like this video if you found it interesting. Be sure to comment below to let us know what other celebrities you'd like to hear about. Subscribe to this channel to get notifications on all the videos that we put out.